Oh, hey guys, I'm Trevor from Fishing with Trev. You've probably seen me on the internet. Got a few videos out there. Got quite a few tutorials on how to tie knots. And I was wondering just how strong are they? So I thought I'd make myself up a little knot testing rig. What we have, scales. I have actually got a lanyard tied because I've lost a few hooks around the house. Don't tell the wife. Yep, and what you do, hook your hook on, knot at the other end, just hook that around the screw, wind her up. Before you get tension on it, make sure you tear it off. Carry on winding. And we'll see what she actually comes out at. The line I'm using, 20 pound mono, 20 pound braid, 20 pound fluorocarbon. I'm not testing the strength of the line, I'm testing the strength of the knot, so it doesn't matter what brand they are because I'm going to be using the same across all my knots. Let's get started, eh? To tie this, feed your line up through the eye of the hook, spin it around your line. I do it about 10 times. Any less than that and your knot can slip. Feed the tag end up through the loop at the bottom, pulling your knot up. At this stage I would recommend wetting the line or it will burn. Continue pulling up. Cut off your tag end, leaving a couple of mil spare. The improved clinch knot is a variation of the clinch knot. I have found it to be far more superior. To tie it, feed your line through the eye of the hook, spin it around 10 times, as with the clinch knot. Feed your tag end up through the loop. Now that loop there you've made, feed your line back through that again, pulling your line up. At this stage I do like to moisten my knots because it will burn your line. Continue pulling, then trim off the tag end, leaving a couple of mil There you have it, the improved clinch knot. Hey guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to put it in the comments below. And also, if you want to see any other knots tested, put them in the comments as well. Yous have a good one, eh?